In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status in Microsoft Teams. If you want coworkers or contacts to quickly understand whether you're available, busy, or away, updating your status is a simple way to do it. Microsoft Teams makes this easy, and the whole process only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. To get started, go to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening Teams in your web browser or through the desktop app, depending on how you normally use it. Once Teams has loaded and you're on the main screen, take a moment to make sure you're signed in to the correct account, since your status is tied to the profile you're currently using. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your avatar or profile picture. This opens the account menu, which is where you can access several personal settings and profile options. If you don't have a profile photo set up, you may see your initials instead. Either way, it works the same way, so just click that icon. After the menu opens, find your current status and click on it. This is usually displayed near your name and profile information. Depending on your current setting, it may say available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, away, or appear offline. Clicking this status will open a list of options you can choose from. Now, choose the status you want from the list. Select the one that best matches your availability at that moment. For example, available lets others know you're active and ready to respond. Busy shows that you may be working and not immediately available. Do not disturb is useful when you need uninterrupted focus. Away can indicate that you're temporarily not at your desk, and appear offline can be helpful if you want to stay less visible while still using Teams. Once you click your preferred option, your status updates right away. That means other people in Teams will be able to see the change almost instantly. A helpful tip is to update your status intentionally throughout the day, especially before meetings, focused work sessions, or breaks. It can improve communication and help set expectations with the people you work with, and that's all it takes to change your status in Microsoft Teams. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how others understand your availability.